Oh. Ow. Please don't shoot me. I'm not bulletproof. That's a tank. That's a tank. Can you stop fucking shooting me? Now see what you do? Nope. 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 Oh my god. Well, alright.
Oh shit. Shit.
Oh shit. Shit. I'm dead.
This should be easy. We just need to grab some diesel.
You want to hear a prediction? No. There's not going to be any gas. Watch.
Why are you so fucking pessimistic? Get out of here with that negativity. Don't need any of that. Girl, just let me rub your titties. Oh, yeah, man. Better gear. Better gear. Better gear. Shut up. Oh, hell yeah. I'm the knight of the castle. Oh, we got some bitches to cut out. Come here, bitch. Take a little off the top. Ooh. Oh, get off me. Oh, get off me. Oh, get off me. Oh, get off. Oh, the jump shot. Give that leg, girl. Crouched into it. You wanted it. I don't want to live anymore, sir. Please. Oh. Y'all need no legs. Oh my god. The Left 4 Dead trick shots. Get out of here. Get out of here. Oh! The fuck out of here. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. No, get up. I'm gonna get up here. Cause I'm the king of the castle. Y'all can't come in my tree house. Cause y'all some bitch. Oh. Almost die. Oh, the quick scopes. Oh, the no scopes. Bitch, get off the roof. This ain't whatever that movie was where they were on the roof. Yeah, 5-star joke. Hire me to tell bad jokes. Hell yeah, I'll take in the ass. You know you like it. Are you ready? You ready? Oh no. Grabbing a bile jar. Oh my. Game over. I don't want it. Get off my Ooh! Why? Why? Swing and a miss. Oh. Yay. He loves me. Faggot. Huh. No more titties. No more titties. Oh, watch out. No more titties. No more titties. No more titties. Ooh! That's a charger, and he's pummeling me. I've never been pummeled so hard in my life. I like it. Damn, we just got gang raped. Damn, look at that. Twice as many as those guys. I'm a fucking god. Anthony Ortiz. Need to check on brother and his family. Oh, you're dead. Meet up with V&B heading to New Orleans. You're dead. You're dead. Jason's dead. Your dad's dead. Shane is dead. Maya's dead. You're all dead. You're all dead. There's no hope. There's no hope. Come on. Come on, 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 come on. Gets grabbed by Smoker. All die. Explode. Tank. Boomer. And a witch. Though that'll be fun. Whatever. Oh my god! Oh, get him. Get him. Get him. Ooh! The 180. Alright, apparently ladders are Rochelle proof. Up, up. There you go. Oh, 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 oh. There we go. Oh no! No, 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 no! Sorry. That was scary. Almost made me shit myself. I was this close. I was this close. Bitch! Nope! That's a tank. That's a tank. Ooh! 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 Oh! 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 Oh, the parkour. Oh no, I climbed down, no. Oh, get off me. Oh, can you not shoot me, please? Thank you. Jeez. Please help me, I'm right here. Oh, no. It's alright, we'll take care of this guy. Oh, come here, bitch. Our chauffeur is about to pull up right here. Oh! 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 Get on! Was I on? Did I make it? I was on the side. That has to count. That's gotta count. We'll see. Oh shit! I dropped my controller. Oh, I survived. Hell yeah! Let's go.